Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to show your profile picture on your Bluehost messages like this. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to bluehost.titan.email. Then fill in your email address. Click on next. Then your password. Click on login. And once you're inside your Bluehost inbox, in order to change your profile photo for your Bluehost email, simply click on this settings icon and click on preferences. Make sure you are in the account page, and this is your current profile picture. Click on this little pen to edit it. Now click on upload from device to upload your profile photo. This is the one I will use. You can edit it, or you can change it, edit it like that. Click on save. You can even zoom in or out, or click on select another picture. Click on save. And now my profile picture was edited. Let's go back to email, and to test this, I will send a message to myself. This is my new profile photo. Click on send. Message sent. Now let's refresh my Gmail account. This is the message I've just sent. As you see, even I've edited my profile picture here, it does not show up on Gmail messages. So a little turn around, which is adding it to the email message button. So how to do this? Go back to the Bluehost inbox, click on settings, click on preferences, then go to signatures and click on, in your case, you will see add a signature. You will see a page like this. Click on add a signature. Here, name your signature. And to insert a photo in your signature, click on insert image. This is the photo, double click it, and you can resize it like that. Click on save. Now I will send a second message to myself. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Now I will send a second message to myself. Check my profile photo in the signature. Hi there, see you soon. Click on message, click on send, message sent, and this is how to show your profile picture on your Bluehost email message. Yes, I know it's not 100% what you are looking for, but this is a middle solution.